SR-71 Blackbird, America's old super spy plane, is still the world's fastest jet. The sleek and sinister SR-71 Blackbird looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Though in fact the jet black spy plane proved far more successful at outrunning enemy missiles than any of the spaceships depicted in Star Wars. Though retired in the 1990s in favor of spy satellites and recon drones, it doesn't look like any modern designs are likely to challenge the Blackbird's record as the fastest manned aircraft ever. The Blackbird could sustain speeds above Mach 3, with a so far unbroken manned flight record of Mach 3.3 or 3.5. 3.3 is confirmed, while Mach 3.5 is claimed by pilot Brian Scholl to have been achieved while outrunning a missile over Libya in 1986. That speed is actually even more impressive than it seems, because while later Soviet MiG-25 and MiG-31 fighters could attain Mach 3, they could only do so for brief periods on afterburners, the aerial equivalent of an energy-burning sprint. The SR-71 could sustain Mach 3 flight for 90 minutes, at which points it required in-flight refueling. A Blackbird once set the record for flying from New York to London in 1 hour and 54 minutes. In effect, by the time it took a SAM missile system to lock onto an SR-71 traveling at Mach 3 and launch a missile, the Blackbird was already moving beyond the effective range of the missile.